In this video, we'll look at how you can use booking extras in SuperControl to offer your guests a flexible rate or a non-refundable discount. While you can add many different pricing options into SuperControl, we always suggest that you seek professional advice to make sure that whatever you're adding into SuperControl actually complies with the relevant regulations. So I'm going to start by going to Properties and then Booking Extras. And I'm going to start with charging a cancellation rate. You can obviously call this whatever you like. You can also add a description, which we'd suggest you do, and I would also suggest you make it clearer in here as to what that flexible cancellation rate is. I'm going to leave everything else as default on here. So now I'm going to add this into a property. I'm going to do this just for ease by clicking on the flexible cancellation rate title here and then selecting all properties. Now this garden house is the property that I want to do it, so I'm going to charge a 10% flexible cancellation rate, and I am going to just set this to 1 for max with this, so that there's 1 available on this property, and I'm going to make it so it's payable with a deposit. So if I go to my calendar now and choose Garden House, go through here, I've got a price, and now I can go through here and I can choose my flexible cancellation rate. So in this case it was the 10%, so it's costing me an extra £200 to have flexible cancellation. So the other way of doing this is to offer a discount. So I'm just going to remove that flexible cancellation rate from this property, and now I'm going to add non-refundable discount. Again, you could call this what you like and making it more detailed, but in this case I'm now going to offer a discount for a non-refundable rate. It's achieving the same thing, but it's a different way around. So if I go in and add this again to my garden house, so in this case I'm going to do a minus 10% of the deposit, and it is 1 for this property. So if I go back into my calendar preview and select some dates again in this property, so I've got a price again that's £2,000 for the week, but if I go through into the checkout, I've now got the option of having a discount if I want to change that to a non-refundable rate. So this will work for any direct bookings, whether they're booked online like this through your website, through our calendars, or whether you place them in the back end in SuperControl. And these will show in the booking summary to your guests so they know which option they have selected. These extras, though, won't be passed on to OTAs or channels because they aren't included in every booking. Some channels like Booking.com do give you the option of charging a non-refundable rate, and in SuperControl you can uplift those prices differently so that the flexible rate is more expensive than the non-refundable. Other channels don't give us that option, so therefore it isn't something that you can offer, so you need to set your terms on those channels accordingly.